I've been playing basketball since I was about 4 years old. I joined a rec league when I started, and from there it just kind of evolved into something more than a hobby. It kind of took over my life in a way, and you know, it's nice to have something to do on the weekends and have something to do with friends. Question. Honestly, basketball is my preference, but I wouldn't discourage other people from trying out other sports. All that really matters is that you're having fun with friends and you're getting exercise while doing it, which is only good for your health and your mind.